Made possible by Jebco Construction Companies.
Hi, and welcome to In the Game at Freedom Station. My name is Ty Romberger, the marketing manager here in the facility. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the new features that Freedom Station is offering to the Quad City area. Let's go ahead and take a look. So one of the first features that we're going to be taking a look at is the mini bowling that we actually just recently installed. We have 4 different lanes. Each of those lanes can have up to 10 people play per lane. Every time that you bowl, as you can see, each of the lanes have their own scoreboard, so you'll be able to see what your score is as you're playing the match. Also, the bowling balls that are included with each lane, they're made of the same material as normal bowling balls. However, the bowling balls are much smaller and they're easier for little kids and adults to handle. Let's go ahead and go take a look at the new laser tag equipment. So, one of the really cool things that we're really excited to be bringing to the Quad City area is our new laser tag equipment, Cyberblast. As you can see, we have new vests and we have new guns. The vests all have different sensors for you to be able to shoot at on the back, on the shoulders, as well as the very front of each vest. The other really cool feature is the guns that are equipped with each vest. They're lightweight, easy to handle, and during your match, on the back screen, you'll be able to see what your current score is, what your name is, as well as the power-ups that you have active on each of the blasters by pushing the button here that's located on the side of the gun. While you're playing your match, your score is going to be accumulated. After your match is over, you'll be able to come inside and take a look at the scoreboard. Speaking of the scoring, let's go ahead and go out into the arena where you're going to be facing off against your opponents. As you can see, we have a brand new laser tag arena in place of where the old one was. It's a giant inflatable. It's 38 by 36 feet wide. And on the inside here is 20 different rooms. Come on, let me show you. Each of the rooms that's located in here either has a strobe light or a black light equipped in each room so that you can go ahead and see the neon in either the windows or, as you can see here, the door frames. Some of the rooms are smaller, some of the rooms are larger. Let's go ahead and take a tour of it. Now, while you're facing off in the arena, you're gonna have music that tells you not only how much time is left in the match, but also it's gonna tell you who takes the lead and who doesn't take the lead. The last thing here, while you're in the arena, we ask that you not run and you make sure you watch your step because some of the areas, they are darker than others. The last thing we want is for you to trip and fall and possibly not only damage the equipment, but also damage yourself. We want you to have a safe and enjoyable experience while you're here at In the Game at Freedom Station. Thank you so much for taking this tour with us so that we could show you all these great new attractions that are here at In the Game at Freedom Station. In the meantime, why don't you come on down, take a look at all the games that we already have, and make sure you stay tuned for more games and attractions that are coming to In the Game at Freedom Station. If you have any questions, give us a call, 775-4040. Thank you, and we'll see you here.
Made possible by Jebco Construction Companies.